What's up, YouTube? Today I want to introduce to you guys this drone right here. This is the Ruko U11 Mini 4K drone. This drone is simply incredible for its size. So in a world where DJI completely dominates the drone market, if you're looking for something different, if you don't want geofence restrictions and you're just looking for a drone that you can fly almost anywhere, a sub 250 drone that you don't have to register, this might be a very good option. This is actually not my first Ruko drone. I have the F11 as well, so I'm quite familiar with Ruko products. This drone right here comes with 3 different batteries included, which will give you up to 96 minutes of battery life of flight. And then it has this controller right here, which you can plug your phone in. It has the screw mounts. So this is the controller. It says you can get up to 6 kilometers of range, which is approximately 3 point something miles, but realistically you probably don't want to fly longer than a mile or line of sight. Typically for environments like this you can fly pretty far. I'm actually at Mount Trashmore here in Virginia Beach. This is where I live. But if you are in the city, this is the city, but if you are in like a heavy area, you don't want to fly longer than line of sight, because that's usually what the rules are. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take flight and show you guys some of the scenery. This is a very beautiful place. A lot of people come out here to work out. I personally come out here to work out sometimes, and then every now and then bring my bike. And yeah, but there's a lot to like about this drone. It's got quite a lot of features. I'm gonna take flight, show you guys the scene, the kind of quality you can get. It has a 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, as well as it can take 8K pictures. I'm not really sure why you want to take 8K pictures, but if you want to, it supposedly can. I'm also gonna get it up close and show you guys some of the hardware and stuff like that. This is a very, very light, compact drone. Yeah, very, very light. Alright, so on the drone, as you guys can see, it has a 3-axis gimbal, 4K. It's a CMOS f1.8. It has these 2 lights right here. This is actually not a radar or sensor, it's just a light. On the back you have the battery, which is detachable, just like this. It comes with 3 of these. You can charge them independent of the drone, so you don't need it to be in the drone for you to charge them. Pretty light. You have your optical sensors right here, which will allow you to stabilize the drone in the air and land properly. On the controller, you have your cinematic mode, you have your normal mode, and you have your speed mode. Sport. You have your return to home, you have your power, you have the cruise control, and you have a satellite GPS. You also have a capture and record, and you have your gimbal control. And then as you guys can see, the sticks is actually stored right here, kind of like the DJI drones, and you just simply screw it in. And if you want to connect your phone, you simply pull this part out. There's going to be cables right here. It comes with different cables. It comes with a USB-C as well as a lightning cable for older iPhones. So to connect, you simply load the app, and you simply load the app. You plug your phone in to one side. So actually I'm gonna do the other way. So you can even fit a foldable phone, which is actually my main phone, and just like that. So now to turn it on, you want to turn on the drone first, so they can acquire satellites, and then you press and hold this, and that will turn on the controller. And it's gonna take a moment, and it's gonna pair up. Hopefully you guys can see the light, the blue lights that come on. So right now the controller is trying to pair with the drone.